Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't be shy to hit the like and subscribe button to stay updated with my latest videos. Today I'm going to show you how I achieve this look. It's a bright red lip paired with a subtle brown smoky eye and a touch of gold. The first thing that I'm doing is filling in my eyebrows using the Anastasia's Brow Wiz in the shade Ebony. We're then going to take a spoolie and brush our brows up and away for a natural blended look. My eyebrows aren't done at the moment, so I'm definitely going to try to camouflage that with some concealer. I'm cleaning up the sides with a little bit of Tarte's Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Medium and blending that out with my fingers. If you have any blemishes or discoloration on your skin, take this time to lightly spot conceal and blend that out with a kabuki brush for more coverage. I'm taking my under eye corrector from Mercier in my shade and placing a few dots under the eye area to counteract my dark circles. Blend that out with a beauty blender. I'm using my Everyday Foundation by Too Faced Cosmetics, Born This Way in the shade Sand. I'm mixing it with a drop of my Josie Marin Argan Oil for added moisture to my skin. Blend the foundation into the skin with a beauty blender using bouncing motions. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Cocoa. I apply my contour to the sides of my temple, my upper forehead, the sides of my nose, the hollows of my cheek, my jawline, and lastly the bottom center of my lower lip. I always use a dense angled brush to give me more control of where I place the product. For highlight, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the yellow shade. I apply this to my cupid's bow, forehead, chin area, the bridge of my nose, the high points of my cheek, and also a small line underneath the hollows of my cheeks. Blend that out with a damp beauty blender. To set my foundation as well as my cream contour and highlight, I use a light layer of my Mercier translucent powder. For today's look, I wanted to use a palette that's truly inspired by very neutral shades. My personal favorite would be Double Entendre by ColourPop. Honestly, I don't even know if I said that right, so you can correct me if I'm wrong. Their eyeshadow quality and pigments pack a punch, and it's very budget friendly. For the crease, I'll be using the shade Hard. Using a fluffy blending brush, sweep that back and forth until the color is equally distributed. For the lid, I'm using my concealer from the Maybelline Fit Me collection in the shade Medium. I apply a few dots and blend that into the lid to create a nice even base. Then I'm going to take the shade Draft, using patting motions, apply that to only 3/4 of the lid. For the outer corner, I'm using the shade Teddy Bear, which is a nice dark chocolate brown, and blend that for a subtle cat eye effect. Using the shade Keep It Peachy, I'm highlighting the inner corner of my eyes for a bright-eyed look. Lastly, I'm taking the shade Flasher to highlight the underneath of my brow bones and blending out with my finger. To blend my crease and brow highlight shade, I'm taking a clean brush to create a seamless transition. To clean up as well as conceal my dreadful dark circles, I'll be using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in medium. I'm taking the concealer from the bottom inner corner of the eyes and dragging it towards my temples for a more lifted look. Then I'm going to blend that out with my damp beauty blender. Wing liner is something I personally and rarely ever forget to do. I love the way it elongates the eye area, so I'm using the NYC liquid eyeliner in the darkest shade to achieve this look. To smoke out the bottom lash line, take the shade Hard and distribute that color evenly. To add a pop of color to the bottom inner corner, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Highlighter in the shade Trophy Wife. Oh my god, I love this highlighter so much. So now it's time for some lashes. And my personal favorite to complement any look would be the Lily lashes in Miami. You can pick these up at Sephora. So while my lashes are drying, I take this opportunity to carefully line my waterline using Maybelline's gel liner in Blackest Black. Once my lashes are mostly dry, I take my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and blend the lashes with my own. So unfortunately, my camera stopped filming while I applied my blush and highlighter. However, that did not stop me from reapplying for the sake of this tutorial. I'm using the Too Faced blush from the Sweethearts collection in the peach shade for a hint of color. Lastly, for that golden glow, let's apply the Trophy Wife by none other than Fenty Beauty. This is a very intense and pigmented shade, so if you're shy about this, I recommend using a light hand when applying. Finally, we've come to the star of this makeup look, the red lip. So today I'm using Mary Jo K by Kylie Cosmetics, and I have to say, by far, hands down, this has to be my favorite red lip color. I just feel like it's gorgeous. It complements a lot of skin tones. The finish is amazing. It's long lasting, and just generally, I just love it. To set this look, I like to use my handy dandy Too Faced 3-in-1 Hangover Primer and Setting Spray. So there we have it, guys. This look is complete. I'm definitely feeling myself a little too much in this clip. You could never go wrong with this shade. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.